Planing versus sanding versus scraping, which one's best? Planing shears off a layer of wood and theoretically should give you the smoothest surface, but it often leaves the pores open and you can feel that. Scraping also shears the wood off and you get these beautiful little curls. And it can also go against the grain, which planing has a difficult time with. Sanding, on the other hand, doesn't care anything about the grain at all. You can go any direction you want with sandpaper. Any monkey can rub paper on wood. But planing and scraping take more skill. Sanding has a tendency to clog the wood with all the dust it creates. But that can be a good thing for some finishes because all that dust in the pores will actually wick it and draw it farther down into the wood. But drawing it down farther into the wood can lead to blotching in some woods. And in some woods like white oak, you want that blotching. If I'm working in white oak and I want to see all the medullary rays, I use sandpaper right at the end. If I'm working in clear, straight-grained maple, I'm going to use a plane. But if there's any figure in the wood and difficult things like that, I'm going to scrape it. And that is how I finish a video.